We know that rural schools and districts can experience some systemic spatial inequities when it comes to providing access to resources and opportunities for rural students that are not at the fault of the schools or districts, but again, a reflection of systemic challenges. So for example, we know from scholarship that from the Why Rural Matters report, about 14% of rural age students live in poverty. We know that in rural schools, they sometimes struggle with access to school counselors and psychologists. I think the ratio from the Why Rural Matters report is for every school counselor or psychologist in the rural school, there's 310 students. And we also know that rural students are less likely to enroll and graduate from post-secondary education. But when I talk about rural education and educational challenges, it's also important to recognize that it's interconnected with other structural challenges. So everything from broadband access that's available in rural communities to thinking about the increasing number of rural hospitals that are closing across rural communities in this country. So again, evidence-based products or programs can serve as critical resources to address some of these disparities in terms of providing more access to learning resources and opportunities for rural schools, students, and districts. And again, at the same time, the critical need that as we do this work, that we recognize the unique needs and opportunities in each rural community, recognizing that there's a diversity of rural communities.